All right, so a lot of you might be running and gunning throughout the day and not really sure what you should be eating or having packed for snacks. And I'm going to show you one of the things that I just bought. So these are Zone Perfect bars. These are like nutrition bars. They're created by the nutritional company called Abbott. And they also make Ensure drinks. These are basically like glorified protein shakes. This one has a little bit of fat, a little bit of carbs in it. But the thing about these is it's like a multivitamin shoved into this too, because there's lots of vitamins and minerals in it. No fiber in this, but it's got 9 grams of protein, 6 grams of fat, and 33 grams of carbs, 220 calories. So it's kind of like a meal mini replacement, or a mini meal replacement. And then these Zone Perfect bars are really good too. Very small, not too much to them, but very tasty, very quick and easy. I actually pack some of these in my backpack, so if you can see here, I kind of have them on the side. I just restocked it, and if I'm out on the go and I'm filming videos at the gym, and like networking and coaching and just meeting people and running around town, it's a really good option for me because it's super quick, super easy. And I'm trying to become a sponsored athlete by Abbott, so hopefully this is a good promotional video for them. They're not paying me at all by this. I actually bought this all with my own money. But I've been recommending Ensure drinks to all the seniors I work with, anyone who's malnourished. It's one of the first things I recommend them towards. And these Zone Perfect bars I've been eating for probably about 5 to 6 years. I ate these a lot in college because they're really, really tasty, really, really cheap. These are only like $1 a piece. And as a college student, it was a very easy way for me to get some good protein in. Their flavors are really delicious. And this is one of many. They have like a fudge graham one that's actually my favorite one. I have that one over there sitting on there too. But yeah, Ensure is really, really good. You can go check out their website, get some of their products. And if you know any seniors or people who are malnourished, cancer patients, etc., great option for them. But again, that's not really the whole point of this. Just to show you another many options to get some cheap and accessible nutrients when you're on the go, or maybe just want something sweet around the home.